Итак, текст на аудирование и перевод к 5-му уроку. В этом уроке снова даны количественные и числительные, то есть 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Вышел зайчик погулять. Итак, вы должны: первое – прослушать предложение, второе – остановить воспроизведение, третье – записать это предложение на английском языке себе в тетрадь и перевести его письменно на русский язык. Вы должны писать именно ручкой и именно себе в тетрадь. Поехали.
1. There aren't printers in the offices. 2.
No, the printers aren't in the offices.
3. Isn't there a peach on the table? 4.
No, the peach isn't on the table.
5. Isn't there food in the bowl? 6.
No, the pets don't have food in the bowl.
7.
Isn't there a printer in the office?
8.
No, we don't have a printer in the office.
9.
There's an address in the folder.
10. Yes, the administrator has an address in the folder. 11.
There isn't food in the bowl.
12.
No, the animal doesn't have food in the bowl.
13.
Aren't the printers in the offices?
14.
No, the printers aren't in the offices.
15.
Are there lists in the folders?
16.
Yes, the finalists have lists in the folders.
17.
Isn't the food in the bowls?
18.
No, the birds don't have food in the bowls.
19.
Is the printer in the office?
20.
Yes, the pharmacist has a printer in the office.
21. Aren't the plans in the folders? 22.
No, the representative doesn't have plans in the folders.
23.
Is the picture in the folder?
24.
Yes, the secretary has a picture in the folder.
25.
There aren't peaches on the tables.
26.
No, the peaches aren't on the tables.
27.
Is there a peach on the table?
28.
Yes, the artist has a peach on the table.
29.
Do the athletes have peaches on the tables?
30.
Yes, the peaches are on the tables.
31.
Don't the kittens have food in the bowls?
32.
No, the food isn't in the bowls.
33.
There are bananas in the refrigerator.
34.
Yes, the bananas are in the refrigerator.
35.
Do you have clothes in the wardrobes?
36.
Yes, we have clothes in the wardrobes.
37.
There are skirts on the hangers.
38.
Yes, the schoolgirls have skirts on the hangers.
39.
Are the planes in the sky?
40.
Yes, the planes are in the sky.
41. Do I have a shirt on the hanger? 42. Yes, I have a shirt on the hanger. 43.
Is there a star in the sky?
44.
Yes, the star is in the sky.
45.
Is there a banana in the refrigerator?
46.
Yes, the ant has a banana in the refrigerator.
47.
There are boots in the wardrobe.
48.
Yes, the boots are in the wardrobe.
49.
There aren't stars in the sky.
50.
No, the stars aren't in the sky.
51.
Are there shirts on the hangers?
52. Yes, the shirts are on the hangers. 53.
Is there milk in the refrigerators?
54.
Yes, the grandfathers have milk in the refrigerators.
55.
Are there coats in the wardrobes?
56.
Yes, the coats are in the wardrobes.
57.
There's a skirt on the hanger.
58.
Yes, the housewife has a skirt on the hanger.
59.
There's a plane in the sky.
60.
Yes, the plane is in the sky.
61.
Aren't there skis at houses?
62.
No, we don't have skis at houses.
63. Don't we have teachers at schools? 64.
No, we don't have teachers at schools.
65.
Isn't there a bed in the house?
66.
No, the bed isn't in the house.
67.
Isn't the bread in the refrigerators?
68.
No, the bread isn't in the refrigerators.
69.
Don't we have skis at houses?
70.
No, we don't have skis at houses.
71.
There aren't lessons at school.
72.
No, you don't have lessons at school.
73.
There are kettles in the kitchens.
74.
Yes, you have kettles in the kitchens.
75.
Isn't the ski in the house?
76.
No, you don't have the ski in the house.
77.
Are the fans at schools?
78.
Yes, the fans are at schools.
79.
Are there pants in the wardrobe?
80.
Yes, the schoolgirl has pants in the wardrobe.
81.
There isn't a ski in the house.
82.
No, the ski isn't in the house.
83. Isn't there a blanket in the bedroom? 84.
No, the driver doesn't have a blanket in the bedroom.
85.
Is there a pan in the kitchen?
86.
Yes, the pan is in the kitchen.
87.
Is the lesson at school?
88.
Yes, the lesson is at school.
89. There aren't blankets in the houses. 90.
No, the blankets aren't in the houses.
91.
There are televisions in the living rooms.
92.
Yes, the televisions are in the living rooms.
93.
Don't I have a charger in the bag?
94.
No, I don't have a charger in the bag.
95.
Do the ants have blankets in the bedrooms?
96.
Yes, the ants have blankets in the bedrooms.
97.
There aren't towels in the bathrooms.
98.
No, the towels aren't in the bathrooms.
99. Do the fathers have televisions in the living rooms? 100.
Yes, the fathers have televisions in the living rooms.
101.
Isn't there a charger in the bag?
102.
No, the cleaner doesn't have a charger in the bag.
103.
Doesn't the carpenter have a radio in the living room?
104.
No, the carpenter doesn't have a radio in the living room.
105.
Do the uncles have pots in the kitchens?
106.
Yes, the uncles have pots in the kitchens.
107.
Don't the attendants have a television in the room?
108. No, the attendants don't have a television in the room. 109.
Aren't there chargers in the bags?
110.
No, the tourists don't have chargers in the bags.
111.
Is the pot in the kitchen?
112.
Yes, the pot is in the kitchen.
113.
Isn't there a towel in the bathroom?
114.
No, the tourist doesn't have a towel in the bathroom.
115.
Isn't the television in the living room?
116. No, the television isn't in the living room. 117.
Aren't the radios in the living rooms?
118.
The radios aren't in the living rooms.
119.
Aren't the chargers in the bags?
The 120.
No, the chargers aren't in the bags.
121.
There's an essay in the backpack.
122.
Yes, you have an essay in the backpack.
123.
There isn't money in the wallet.
124.
No, the guests don't have money in the wallet.
125.
Doesn't the room attendant have a towel in the bathroom?
126.
No, the room attendant doesn't have a towel in the bathroom.
127.
There isn't a radio in the apartment.
128.
No, the radio isn't in the apartment.
129. There are kopecks in the pockets. 130.
Yes, the girl has kopecks in the pockets.
131.
Isn't there a bill in the wallet?
132.
No, the bill isn't in the wallet.
133.
Aren't the towels in the bathrooms?
134.
No, the towels aren't in the bathrooms.
135. Aren't there essays in the backpacks? 136.
No, the schoolboys don't have essays in the backpacks.
137.
Don't you have a kopeck in the pocket?
138.
No, I don't have a kopeck in the pocket.
139.
Aren't there rubles in the wallets?
140.
No, the guests don't have rubles in the wallets.
141.
Aren't there radios in the apartments?
142. No, the flight attendants don't have radios in the flats. 143.
Aren't the essays in the backpacks?
144.
No, the essays aren't in the backpacks.
145.
Aren't the euros in the wallets?
146.
No, the housewives don't have euros in the wallets.
147.
Aren't there kopecks in the pocket?
148.
No, the kopecks aren't in the pocket.
149.
Don't the schoolchildren have a kopeck in the pockets?
150.
No, the school children don't have a kopeck in the pockets.
151.
Are there coins in the purses?
152.
Yes, we have coins in the purses.
153. Does the climber have a clock on the wall? 154.
Yes, the clock is on the wall.
155.
Are there bicycles in the halls?
156.
No, we don't have bicycles in the halls.
157.
Isn't there an essay in the backpack?
158.
No, the schoolboy doesn't have an essay in the backpack.
159.
Are there paintings on the wall?
160. Yes, the colleague has paintings on the wall. 161.
There's a dining room in the house.
162.
Yes, the dining room is in the house.
163.
Are the paintings on the walls?
164.
Yes, the clown has paintings on the walls.
165.
Are the coins in the purses?
166.
Yes, you have coins in the purses.
167. There's a bicycle in the hall. 168.
Yes, the bicycle is in the hall.
169.
Don't you have clocks on the walls?
170.
No, I don't have clocks on the walls.
171.
There isn't a coin in the purse.
172.
The climber doesn't have a coin in the purse.
173.
Do you have a bicycle in the hall?
174.
Yes, I have a bicycle in the hall.
175. Are there dining rooms in the houses? 176.
Yes, we have dining rooms in the houses.
177.
Is the coin in the purse?
178.
Yes, the coin is in the purse.
179.
Do the climbers have bicycles in the halls?
180.
No, you don't have bicycles in the halls.
181.
Don't the artists have a table in the dining room?
182.
No, you don't have a table in the dining room.
183.
Is there a commander on the street?
184.
Do you have a commander on the street?
185.
Yes, I have a commander on the street.
186.
There's a network in the city.
187.
Do we have a network in the city?
188.
Yes, you have a network in the city.
189. Aren't there petrol stations in the town? 190.
Don't you have petrol stations in the town?
191.
No, you don't have petrol stations in the town.
192.
Do you have spoons in the dining rooms?
193.
Yes, I have spoons in the dining rooms.
194.
Aren't there charging stations in the city?
195.
Do you have charging stations in the city?
196.
Yes, you have charging points in the city.
197.
Do we have commanders on the streets?
198.
Yes, I have commanders on the streets.
199.
Are there networks in the cities?
200.
Don't we have networks in the cities?
201.
No, we don't have networks in the cities.
202. Isn't there a cyclist on the street? 203.
Don't we have a cyclist on the street?
204.
Yes, the cyclist is in the street.
205. Does the businessman have petrol stations in the towns? 206.
Are the petrol stations in the towns?
207.
Yes, the businessman has petrol stations in the towns.
208.
There's a petrol station in the town.
209.
Yes, the petrol station is in the town.
210.
We have a petrol station in the town.
211.
There's a surgeon in the village.
212. Yes, the surgeon is in the village. 213.
Do the champions have washing machines in the bathrooms?
214.
Yes, the champions have washing machines in the bathrooms.
215.
Aren't there tools on the floor?
216.
No, the mechanic doesn't have tools on the floor.
217.
Is there a dishwasher in the kitchen?
218.
Yes, the dishwasher is in the kitchen.
219.
There aren't buses in the villages.
220.
No, the buses aren't in the villages.
221.
Don't the soccer players have dishwashers in the apartments?
222.
No, the dishwashers aren't in the apartments.
223. Are the boots on the floor? 224.
Yes, the skaters have boots on the floor.
225.
Is there a washing machine in the bathroom?
226. Yes, the washing machine is in the bathroom. 227.
Is there a tool on the floor?
228.
Yes, the tool is on the floor.
229.
Are the dishwashers in the kitchens?
230.
Yes, you have dishwashers in the kitchens.
231.
Does the businesswoman have a charging station in the village?
232.
Yes, the charging station is in the village.
233. Aren't there shoes at the doors? 234.
No, the shoes aren't at the doors.
235.
Don't I have water on the floor?
236.
No, I don't have water on the floor.
237. Does the electrician have a dishwasher in the kitchen? 238.
No, the dishwasher isn't in the kitchen.
239.
Are the competitions in the villages?
240.
Yes, the competitions are in the villages.
241.
Does the guest have shoes at the door?
242.
No, the guest doesn't have shoes at the door.
243.
Aren't the flowers on the table?
244.
No, the author doesn't have flowers on the table.
245.
Is there an advertisement on the radio?
246. Yes, the competitors have an advertisement on the radio. 247.
There isn't a flower on the table.
248.
The flower isn't on the table.
249.
Do I have a washing machine in the apartment?
250.
Yes, the washing machine is in the apartment.
251.
Are the shoes at the doors?
252.
Yes, the shoes are at the door.
253.
Do the athletes have flowers on the tables?
254.
Yes, the athletes have flowers on the tables.
255.
There's music in the apartment.
256.
Yes, the music is in the apartment.
257.
Do the pensioners have advertisements on the radio?
258.
Yes, the pensioners have advertisements on the radio.
259.
Do you have shoes at the door?
260.
Yes, I have shoes at the door.
261.
Don't the daughters have washing machines in the apartments?
262.
Yes, the daughters have washing machines in the apartments.
263.
There are flowers on the table.
264. The museum attendant has flowers on the table. 265.
There are advertisements on the radio.
266.
Yes, the advertisements are on the radio.
267.
Are the grandsons in the yard?
268.
Yes, the grandsons are in the yard.
269. There isn't music on television. 270.
No, the music isn't on television.
271.
There are cars in the yards.
272. Yes, the cars are in the yards. 273.
Are there oranges in the box?
274.
Yes, the passengers have oranges in the box.
275.
Does the decorator have music on television?
276.
Yes, the decorator has music on television.
277.
Is the grandson in the yard?
278. Yes, the grandson is in the yard. 279.
Is the monitor on the desk?
280.
Yes, the monitor is on the desk.
281.
Is there fruit in the boxes?
282. Yes, the fruit is in the boxes. 283.
Is the notebook on the desk?
284.
Yes, the notebook is on the desk.
285.
There's an advertisement on television.
286.
The advertisement is on television.
287.
Does the lawyer have a monitor on the desk?
288.
Yes, the lawyer has a monitor on the desk.
289.
There's mail on the table.
290.
Yes, we have mail on the table.
291.
There are volunteers in the yards.
292. Yes, the politicians have volunteers in the yards. 293.
Does the student have music in the room?
294.
Yes, the student has music in the room.
295.
Aren't there pears in the box?
296.
No, the pears aren't in the box.
297.
Do the diplomats have flowers on the table?
298.
Yes, the diplomats have flowers on the table.
299.
There aren't monitors on the desks.
300.
Don't the colleagues have monitors on the desks? 301.
No, the monitors aren't on the desks.
302. Isn't there a flower on the table? 303.
No, we don't have a flower on the table.
304.
There isn't a window in the room.
305.
Isn't the window in the room?
306.
No, you don't have a window in the room.
307.
We don't have roofs on the houses.
308.
Yes, the roofs are on the houses.
309.
There isn't equipment at the factory.
310.
Isn't the equipment at the factory?
311.
No, the director doesn't have the equipment at the factory.
312.
Aren't the carrots in the boxes?
313.
No, the carrots aren't in the boxes.
314.
There aren't windows in the house.
315.
Aren't the windows in the house?
316. Yes, you have windows in the house. 317.
Don't the directors have the equipment at the factories?
318.
No, the directors don't have the equipment at the factories.
319.
There aren't bathrooms in the apartments.
320.
Don't I have bathrooms in the apartments?
321.
Yes, you have bathrooms in the apartments.
322.
Doesn't the farmer have roofs on the houses?
323.
Aren't the roofs on the houses?
324.
No, the roofs aren't on the houses.
325.
Is the equipment at the factory?
326. Yes, the equipment is at the factory. 327.
You have the equipment at the factory.
328.
There isn't a letter in the mailbox.
329.
Do I have a letter in the mailbox?
330.
No, the letter isn't in the mailbox.
331.
There's a bathroom in the apartment.
332.
Is the bathroom in the apartment?
333.
Yes, the apartment has the bathroom.
334. Doesn't the house have elevators? 335.
No, the house doesn't have elevators.
336.
Are the workers on the squares?
337.
Yes, the workers are on the squares.
338.
Isn't the bathroom in the apartment?
339.
Yes, the bathroom is in the apartment.
340.
Isn't there an elevator in the house?
341.
No, you don't have an elevator in the house.
342.
Aren't there vegetables in the yard?
343.
Yes, the full professor has vegetables in the yard.
344.
Is the window in the room?
345.
Yes, the window is in the room.
346.
Are there tourists on the square?
347. Yes, the tourists are on the square. 348.
There aren't trees in the yards.
349.
No, the farmers don't have trees in the yards.
350.
There aren't letters in the mailboxes.
351.
Don't you have letters in the mailboxes?
352.
No, you don't have letters in the mailboxes.
353.
Are there elevators in the houses?
354.
Yes, the houses have elevators.
355.
There are supporters on the squares.
356.
Yes, the party has supporters on the squares.
357. Isn't the roof on the house? 358.
No, we don't have a roof on the house.
359.
Do you have fruit in the yards?
360.
Yes, we have fruit in the yards.
361.
There aren't students on the square.
362.
No, the students aren't on the square.
363.
I'm not in the lake.
364.
There aren't swimmers in the lake.
365. No, the swimmers aren't in the lake. 366.
Is the letter in the mailbox?
367.
Yes, the letter is in the mailbox.
368.
Don't I have an elevator in the house?
369.
No, I don't have an elevator in the house.
370.
Does the relative have fruit in the garden?
371.
Yes, the relative has fruit in the yard.
372.
There's a plane at the airport.
373.
Is the plane at the airport?
374.
Yes, I have a plane at the airport.
375.
Do you have swimmers in the lake?
376.
Yes, the swimmers are in the lake.
377.
Are there borders in the country?
378.
Yes, the country has borders.
379.
Does the state have lakes?
380. Yes, the state has lakes. 381.
Aren't there cleaners at the airport?
382.
Yes, the airport has cleaners.
383.
Are there parties in the countries?
384. Yes, the government has parties in the countries. 385.
Isn't there a fish in the lakes?
386.
Yes, the cousins have fish in the lakes.
387.
Is there a government in the country?
388.
Yes, the Prime Minister has a government in the country.
389.
There aren't passengers at the airports.
390.
Don't we have passengers at the airports?
391.
No, the passengers aren't at the airports.
392. Are there leaders in the countries? 393.
Yes, the citizens have leaders in the countries.
394.
Are there clothes on the bed?
395.
Yes, the clothes are on the bed.
396.
Aren't there pans on the stoves?
397.
No, the pans aren't on the stoves.
398.
Aren't the things on the refrigerator?
399.
No, the things aren't on the refrigerator.
400.
Do we have things on the refrigerator?
401.
Yes, we have things on the refrigerator.
402.
Aren't there pens on the desks?
403.
No, the pens aren't on the desks.
404.
Do I have a train at the station?
405. Yes, the train is at the station. 406.
Isn't there a company in the building?
407.
No, I don't have a company in the building.
408.
The company isn't in the building.
409.
There's a match on television.
410.
You have a match on television.
411.
There isn't a bike in front of the house.
412.
You don't have a bike in front of the house.
413.
The bike isn't in front of the house.
414.
Isn't there a thing in the bedroom?
415.
No, the thing isn't in the bedroom.
416.
We don't have a thing in the bedroom.
417.
There aren't lamps by the beds.
418.
You don't have lamps by the beds.
419.
The lamps aren't by the beds.
420.
The pencil isn't on the desk.
421.
There isn't a pencil on the desk.
422.
The pupil doesn't have pencil on the desk.
423.
Aren't there trains at the stations?
424.
No, you don't have trains at the stations.
425.
The trains aren't at the stations.
426.
There isn't a player on the field.
427.
The coach doesn't have a player on the field.
428.
The player isn't on the field.
429.
There are companies in the buildings.
430.
I have companies in the buildings.
431.
The companies are in the buildings.
432.
There isn't a bridge over the river.
433.
Don't you have a bridge over the river?
434. The bridge isn't over the river. 435.
Isn't there a speaker above the desk?
436. No, the parent doesn't have a speaker above the desk. 437.
Isn't the speaker above the desk?
438.
There aren't hats on the armchairs.
439. The hats aren't on the armchairs. 440.
Doesn't the model have hats on the armchairs?
441.
There aren't matches on television.
442.
Don't we have matches on television?
443.
No, the matches aren't on television.
444. There isn't a key in the door. 445.
Doesn't the scientist have a key in the door?
446. No, the key isn't in the door. 447.
There aren't bikes in front of the buildings.
448. Aren't the bikes in front of the buildings? 449.
No, the bikes aren't in front of the buildings.
450.
You don't have bikes in front of the buildings.
451.
There aren't keyboards next to the computers.
452.
Don't the gamers have keyboards next to the computers?
453.
Aren't the keyboards next to the computers?
454.
There are markets near to the buildings.
455.
We have markets near to the buildings.
456.
The markets are near to the buildings.
457.
Isn't there a lamp by the bed?
458.
Don't you have a lamp by the bed?
459.
Isn't the lamp by the bed?
460.
There are boots under the table.
461.
I have boots under the table.
462.
The boots are under the table.
463.
Is there a market near the houses?
464.
Do you have a market near the houses?
465.
Is the market near the houses?
466.
Aren't there players on the fields?
467.
Don't we have players on the fields?
468.
Aren't the players on the fields?
469.
Is there a boot under the table?
470.
Does the thief have a boot under the table?
471.
Is the boot under the table?
472.
There are bridges over the rivers.
473.
Do we have bridges over the rivers?
474.
The bridges are over the rivers.
475.
Is there a keyboard next to the desktop?
476.
Does the salesman have a keyboard next to the desktop?
477.
Is the keyboard next to the desktop?
478.
Are there speakers above the desks?
479.
Do you have speakers above the desks?
480.
Are the speakers above the desks?
481. There are ladders at the houses. 482.
You have ladders at the houses.
483.
The ladders are at the houses.
484. Isn't there a hat on the armchair? 485.
Don't you have a hat on the armchair?
486.
Isn't the hat on the armchair?
487. There aren't keys in the doors. 488.
The lady doesn't have keys in the doors.
489.
The keys aren't in the doors.
490. Are there lighters in the cupboards? 491.
Do we have lighters in the cupboards?
492.
Are the lighters in the cupboard?
493.
There's dirt on the carpets.
494. I have dirt on the carpets. 495.
Dirt is on the carpets.
496.
Isn't there a drink in the cup?
497.
Don't you have a drink in the cup?
498.
Isn't the drink in the cup?
499.
There's a ladder at the house.
500. Do you have a ladder at the house? 501.
Is the ladder at the house?
502. Are there nests on the tree? 503.
Do the birds have nests on the tree?
504. Are the nests on the tree? 505.
There isn't an email on the computer.
506.
Don't I have an email on the computer?
507.
Isn't the email on the computer?
508.
Aren't there drinks in the cups?
509.
Don't you have drinks in the cups?
510.
No, the drinks aren't in the cups.
511.
Is there a lighter in the cupboard?
512.
Doesn't the soldier have a lighter in the cupboard?
513.
Is the lighter in the cupboard?
514.
There isn't homework in the textbook.
515.
Do you have homework in the textbook?
516.
Is the homework in the textbook?
517.
Isn't there ice cream in the glasses?
518.
Don't the clients have ice cream in the glasses?
519.
No, the ice cream isn't in the glasses.
520.
Are there ambulances in hospitals?
521.
Don't you have ambulances in hospitals?
522.
Aren't the ambulances in hospitals?
523. Is there dirt on the carpet? 524.
Do you have dirt on the carpet?
525.
Isn't dirt on the carpet?
526.
There are emails on the computers.
527.
Do you have emails on the computers?
528. Are the emails on the computers? 529.
Is there homework in the textbooks?
530.
Don't the tutors have homework in the textbooks?
531.
Isn't the homework in the textbooks?
532.
There's ice cream in the glass.
533.
Do I have ice cream in the glass?
534.
Isn't the ice cream in the glass?
535.
Isn't there an ambulance in the yard?
536.
Don't we have an ambulance in the yard?
537.
Is the ambulance in the yard?